In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. So in your Snapchat application, just go to your avatar, located at the upper left corner, and then click on the gear or cog icon at the upper right corner and select Bitmoji. So in here, you will see the unlink my Bitmoji. So this is where you have to remove your avatar. So just tap on the remove. So once you've successfully removed your avatar, just go ahead and click create my avatar again. And then you can now select the gender that you want. So in here, you can change the hairstyle, your eyes, your eyebrows, and anything you want to do with your avatar. So once you're done, just click on the save icon at the top. Okay, so next, just go ahead and select a outfit that you want for your avatar as well. And once you're done, just go ahead and tap on the save icon again at the upper right corner. And that's it, guys. That's how to change your Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.